in the edit mode, you've got the normal, you've got search, replace, jump will take you to one of these numbers. So if I put, for example, 24, enter, that will take me to 24. But I can also go jump to the end of the program and jump to the top of the program, which is quite a quick way of getting around. We've got copy. So copy, all we do is press copy, cursor down the section we want to copy, and we press copy again, and that's put it on the clipboard. And then wherever we want to put that, we press paste. Now that can be in another program as well. Obviously cut is the same, but it takes it out. This start auto sequencing searching automatically puts end numbers in for you. We've also got this menu programming, and what that gives us is it gives us all the G codes and all the M codes, and we can also go into that G code and it will explain what it does. It's quite a quick way of doing that.